Oh, well, I hope you're doing well today. Well, this isn't the video I started out to make today, but seeing how I need to pull these items out of my bug out bag, I figured I'd go ahead and show you what's contained here. We'll do that coming right up. Alright, yeah, I started out today to do a MRE taste test and show and tell video. And then when I pulled this stuff out of my bug out bag, I says, well, I gotta pull everything out of these, so I might as well show you what I have stored in mine, and maybe you'll get some ideas. Now, not everybody's going to have a mess kit this style or whatever, so you know, you have to tailor it to yours. By the way, please put in the comments what style of a cook setup you have for in your bug out bag. I'd be curious to find out how many varieties we have amongst the group here. Okay, anyway, this is just the normal GI style of mess kit. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Hello! There went the macaroni cheese. Hold on. Alright, well, to start out with, I've got a little thing here of macaroni and cheese. You know, you just need some hot water and get that going. Then I have a top ramen. Okay, now those two items need water, so you know, also in my bug out bag I've got my Sawyer Mini and the things that go with it. Anyway, then I got a can of this buffalo style chicken stuff from Bumblebee, a package of crackers, a couple packages of sugar, a couple more packages of sugar, and a thing of coffee, another thing of coffee, and some sugar, and a little spreading instrument for the Bumblebee chicken, buffalo chicken stuff there. Anyway, that's what I keep stored in my mess kit. Now, it's not always going to be exactly the same things, and of course you'll have to tailor yours to the items you like. So let me put this aside for a minute. Look. Okay, then I got my canteen, and inside there I've got a spork. I've got my other one too in my bug out bag. I've got several water purification tablets. Each one of these has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I got 30 purification tablets, and I think, and I've got the instructions, but I can't remember if you use one of the tablets or two in a canteen of water. Anyway, I got that in there. Let me pull the cup out here. The canteen cup. And the reason I like this style, I figured that if our servicemen used it for so many years, you can't go wrong with it. Okay, the canteen cup. Then I got some more sugar in there, and some more coffee. And the reason I go heavy on the coffee and sugar, because the sugar and coffee will give you a little oomph in your awareness, and just a sugar high, I guess you call it, or a sugar rush. Plus, morale booster. Okay, well, that's what I have to show you in this video. I'm getting ready to make that other one right now, so if everything looks about the same, it's because it is. We're just gonna cut this film or video, get it put out, and start recording this. Well, we're not gonna get it put out right now, but we're gonna start recording this other one in just a second. Until next time, Stay prepared.